In this video telling you about how to use hand-free Bluetooth with Android mobiles.
ठीक है खालस
Okay.
ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਫੋਨ ਤੇ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਛੱਡ ਇਹ ਕਿਲੋ ਵਾਲੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਾਦਾ ਕਿਲੋ ਵਾਲੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ 25 ਕਿਲੋ ਵਾਲੇ 5 ਲੱਗ
How to use hand-free Bluetooth with the Android mobiles. Your car's trio phone set a menu, setting, sub-menu, enter pin. Bluetooth handset should you know about me handset do you have? Name to make your phones visible to other Bluetooth. Built on your phones under the Bluetooth strategy, your device will connect. When pairing with another Bluetooth device, please enter password for pairing. Open the setting app, open voice, assistant voice, access with voice match and unlock the voice match. Device built to another device. Hand-free connect likely because the device do you have more things about this device. Forget the connections. Windows that is for using Bluetooth handsets. Android Bluetooth there want speakers for more sound. Bluetooth on my phones and select Bluetooth. Bluetooth earbuds around the mirror the approximately audio device. Down the end open Bluetooth scanner apps. Have paired to previously and the devices do you make. The Google Assistant app. Are all listed as accessibility option to sex the scams. Too complicated was to communicate in the cards and free jacks and dot phones. Not showing up, that's not more swings. About again you are working on Androids properly than app Doro. Yes, she is up. Windows 10 do you have more stream music? That's not all things. Maybe that's enough in this video. I will meet you in the next video.